Hashtag make it match my skin rejuvenation journey. We've all seen it. Someone whose neck looks 60 and their face looks 30. Follow me in my make it match skin rejuvenation journey with the anti-aging nurse. At 50 years old, I started noticing my neck didn't match my face. My neck seemed to look older than my face did. They just didn't match. I didn't realize it, but I had started wearing clothes that would distract from my neck or cover it up. I decided it was time to do something about it. Trying to undo years of sun damage on your neck is not an easy task. I tried many serums and creams that never seemed to work. After hours of research, I decided to give Plasma Fibroblasting a chance. You do 3 to 4 sessions spaced 4 to 6 weeks apart. This is before and 1 week after my first session. I was impressed with the lightening as well as the tightening underneath my chin. This was immediately after my first session. I stayed red for a day and then tiny scabs formed. You need to leave this alone for about a week. About the second or third day, tiny scabs form. You leave these alone, and about a week later, when they fall off, you have new, fresh skin. Join me in the hashtag Make It Match Skin Revolution. You can book your first appointment online at www.antiagingrn.com. Please subscribe to my channel and visit my blog for more information on all the wonderful treatments available at Generation Skincare in Mahomet, Illinois. Thank you for watching my video, and please be sure to mention this video for 10% off your first Plasma Fibroblast session.